Congratulations on your journey to wellness. 3 days post-stem cell. This is wonderful. What a great gift you've given to yourself. I am so proud of you for doing this. What an act of self-love. So my name is Yvonne, and I am here to guide you through this process. I have been through it as well. I was sick for about 10 years, and I went to Infusio. I did my cell therapy, and now I am here to support you. So I know what it's like. I know what it's like to be sick for a long time. I know the frustration that we feel when we are chronically ill and we have no answers. So again, I congratulate you for this great, great step that you've taken. Mind-body is a really important part of the healing process. So I would like to start with an affirmation. The reason why I like affirmations instead of the affirmations, and I'm sure that you probably heard of affirmations, is because when I am affirming, sometimes it doesn't feel true to me because it's probably not what I'm experiencing at the moment. So an affirmation is sort of like a question, and your body and your mind actually responds better to it. So the affirmation for today is, why is my body healing now? So let's take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And repeat after me. Why is my body healing now? Your body is definitely changing, and your stem cells are working really hard at assessing what needs to be repaired and what needs to be done. So I encourage you to let go and let the stem cells do the work. This was a little challenging for me because I wanted to get better right away. I actually thought that after doing my procedure, I was going to be better immediately. And this is not the case when you do foundational healing. So it's going to take a little longer, but I assure you that you are healing, whether you feel it or not. Those stemmies are working really, really hard at repairing and assessing your body. So a couple of symptoms that you might be experiencing right now might be a little bit of bruising, or maybe you're a little sore. This is, first of all, is totally normal and is actually happening because we wanted you to get the best harvest ever. I mean, we just wanted you to get the best out of this procedure. So there might have been some blood vessels that were broken. There might have been a little bit more force used, especially if you're on the thin side, to be able to extract the best harvest of fat to give you your cells back. But the good news is that there is a solution to that. So let me give you some tips on what you can do to help the soreness and the bruising, and it is the magical arnica. So we gave you arnica during your treatment so that you could take it orally. Those little pellets that you took, that's arnica, and that's fabulous. That really helps you with the bruising and the soreness. So you can continue to take that orally, or you can actually buy the cream or the gel. It actually comes in two forms, cream or gel. You can use whichever you feel comfortable with and just apply it to the area. And I promise you, it is so helpful with the bruising and also with the soreness. Arnica is totally safe to use during your 100 days. It is a homeopathic remedy, so it is in no way going to interfere with whatever it is that the cells are doing. We advise you to not soak in the bathtub for the first week because you do have an open wound. I mean, it is tiny, but it is still an open wound, and we want it to heal. So we actually don't want you to do any type of soaking. So don't take any baths, any long baths, and please don't get in the pool for now, and try to hold off from getting in the hot tub. Although it kind of sounds nice to be in the hot tub right now, I'm sure, but let's just hold off a little bit. Your body is working really hard right now together with your stem cells to heal you. And you might be asking yourself, what can I do to support my stem cells and support my body through this healing process? Hydration, you guys. Hydration is so important. Your cells need to be hydrated. So even if you just increase your water intake a little bit, I do have a better solution though. I'm going to talk about a juice recipe really soon, but I also want to tell you that airplane travel, it's really dehydrating and it can also be stressful to the body. So now you're home after your travel experience and you might need a little bit more hydration than usual. I have the perfect solution for you. This is like my famous green juice recipe, and it is really, really amazing for hydration, and it's so simple to make. So all of the ingredients are organic. We want to nourish our body with clean food, and we are going to use 2 cups of watermelon, 2 cucumbers, and 1 lemon. And your juice is ready to go. Happy hydration! This is the beginning of your journey to health and well-being. I encourage you to be really gentle with yourself and be really patient with yourself. It took a long time for us to get really, really sick. So it is going to take a little bit of time to reach that level of complete, deep healing. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. It will happen. And once again, remember, your body loves you. It wants to heal. So love it back. So let's finish by repeating our affirmation. Just take a deep breath and center yourself. And repeat after me. Why is my body healing now? Just let that sink in. You might also be missing us, but the good news is that we can totally stay connected via social media. You can like our Facebook page, or you can join Infusio Exchange and follow me, Yvonne O Naturally, where I post recipes and tips and tricks to get you to get through this process. And also you can follow us on Instagram. So I will be seeing you on social media, or I will be seeing you on the next video. Take care, you guys. Be well. Talk to you soon.